Kind to finds out, part 10. I think this may be the final video of me racing out my brother's car. So for the grand finale, I decided to finally do the electric fake turbo that all of you have been asking for. I'm still considering whether to carry on these episodes or just move on to something new. I hear from you guys what you want to see. Do you want me to carry on racing out my brother's car or do something different? But yeah, for part 10 wise, we fitted this electric turbo into my brother's Civic. I do apologise for this video being late. It was meant to be released yesterday. My brother has been at work all day, and as you can see, I was doing his car while he was at work, and his car was parked up in the car park. So I got a lot of weird looks from me fitting a fake turbo into this car, people walking by. But hey, at the end, it turned out to actually be pretty cool. As you can see, I fitted the switch under the clutch pedal, so when he releases the clutch pedal, it makes the turbo sound. I gotta say, this